to have you here. This is Claire. Today I'll be sharing with you how I made these simple wall pieces. I checked them online and they were really expensive, so I decided to just make my own. I hope you love them, and if you're new here, just please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell. I've linked every material that I've used in the description box below, so let's get started. I'm using foam board to cut out a diamond shape, and I need 6 pieces of this. So right now I'm just measuring the middle part for both the sides, and then I'll join them up. So after drawing this shape, I'm going to be using a crypto knife to cut it. Just make sure the knife is really sharp so you have clean edges. And now I'm going to be gluing 2 of these pieces using hot glue. I always like coupling up foam board because it becomes stronger yet still remains light. These are the 3 pieces that I have right now, so I'm going to cover them up using this mirror reflective paper, and I'll link that in the description box. This paper has protective film and also glue in the back, so you can just glue it and then remove the film once you're done with the project. So I covered all the 3 pieces with this mirror reflective paper and just making sure that it fits right without any air bubbles. These are the 3 pieces right now, so because I want them to overlap, I'll be cutting the middle one. I just measured exactly where I want to, and I'll cut off that piece. So I measured both the sides of the middle diamond, and then I'll be cutting it using a crypto knife. And here's how the middle piece looks like. If you see how we shall be joining them, this is how they'll look like. And now I'll go ahead and protect the edges using this placemat that I picked from Dollar Tree together with the tape. The tape was from Walmart. And I'm just going to be making strips. I used 1 centimeter for this. So at first I really wanted to just put the placemat, but this being foam board, it will a little bit deform. So I decided to pick these popsicle sticks and I cut off the round edges, but this was becoming just so tedious. So I just decided to just glue these sticks the way they were onto the edges, and then I'll add the placemat. The height of the sticks was exactly the same height of these pieces, so that was easy to just glue on. And now that all the pieces are fitted and the edges are all knit with the wood, I'll be adding these strips using the hot glue again. And for the 4 sharp corners, I literally just folded and rounded the strip and then glued it around. I repeated the same procedure for all the 3 shapes, and this is how they look like. For the middle piece, where I cut the pieces, I did not put the sticks. For the top part, I measured 0.5 inches and I'll be gluing them, but I had to make sure I first remove the protective film and then I glue them using the hot glue. And then for all the edges, the sharp edges, I just made sure I cut them out really well, and some were just even overlapping. I really like how the shape is. It really looks so nice. for now. So this is what I'll be doing for all the 3 parts, and then I'll be joining them. At first I thought I would really just join all these pieces together using hot glue, but the hot glue doesn't really hold. So I decided to just glue them separately, but in this arrangement over the wall. But if you want, you can use E6000 and also provide some support in the back to make it a little bit more firm. Then because the joining part was not so neat, I'll be also lining up the inner shape as well. This is a double-sided tape that I'm using to hang them to the wall. As I was cleaning up, I noticed I have all these pieces all around and they are in the triangle shape. So I decided to do something out of them. I didn't really have a plan. I decided to cover them with the pieces that I had cut off from the mere reflective paper. These are all the pieces that I covered, and then I picked also another foam board together with a mirror, and this is what I'll be using for the centerpiece. I was really designing this as I go because I didn't really have a plan before, so I just arranged these triangles in this shape. I kind of made a star out of them, and then I'll be just tracing it out using a pencil and then cut out this shape. And for the pieces that are outside this foam board, I'm just going to add extra pieces on them so they have the support in the back. After cutting out the star, I thought I would use golden contact paper so they match with the pieces that I made before. But this paper looks a little bit more yellow than gold, so I didn't like the shade. But let me go ahead because this is the only paper that I had right now. So right now I'll just be cutting out all the excess and then gluing back the triangles. After gluing all these triangles back, I'm just going to be gluing this center mirror using hot glue, and then I didn't have a plan. Okay, I'll be adding these gems that I picked from Walmart. First, I removed the reflective paper and then I glued them because they already have their own glue. I really couldn't leave this piece like this. I thought like it was still lacking, and so I added more gems and more gems and more gems until I had nowhere else to go. So I stopped and just used double-sided tape to hang it to the wall. So that's it, guys. The second piece, I didn't really love it that much, but yeah, at least I was able to use the rest of the pieces. Probably if someone wants it, I'll give it out for free. So thank you guys for being here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. I hope to see you next time.